You want to do some play? Yay, Judah! Oh, you love your toy. Yeah. You want to try walking? Or you want to ride it first? You ride it first.
Want to walk?
Yeah, let him try walking with it. Okay, you gotta walk. You ready? There he goes. Oof.
It's done.
There he goes.
I'm going to turn him towards you.
Yeah? Alright, come here, Judah. Cookie Mama. Hi, buddy. So much fun.